Jebb Adams presents Season 2, Episode 22, Singer 201-3, Bobbin Case Threading. There's the hook there. That little hole there in the screwdriver slot, that's an oil port. That is supposed to be oiled occasionally, depending on use. Isn't that interesting? There's our other friend here. For me, it's all about play. I guess it is for you guys too. So there I have the thread coming off the bobbin that way. And then I place the bobbin in place. And I bring the thread up to this slot here. Right there. And then I pull it. And I pull it down right till it goes to the bottom. Like that. That should be threaded there. And it's ready to go. For threading, the upper threading, the first place the thread will go is right there like that. And then we'll bring it down, and then we'll bring it down from there and put it in the thread guide, like that. Then we bring it around and we pull it so it lines up against that chuck spring, and we hold the thread up at the top securely, and then we pull it forward, even though I helped it. That's how it goes. And then it comes all the way up to the lifter. Then we put it through the take-up lever, like that. Then down through this eye, like so. So that's what we have so far. Down here, between the discs, up through the check spring and that take-up lever. Now we're lined up here, and then we'll go down to our next one, which is right here. Indeed. It comes down like that, and then we pull it into the open end of the loop back here, like that. And there, now it is ready to thread the needle. I'm going to reinstall the dog, and there is the dog. There's the dog screws. Can we see those? And we can see them there. And then here's the mini ratchet that I'm going to use to tighten the screws on the dog. The take-up lever is at its highest position. There, that's replaced as well. The dog is on and the foot is on. I'll have to get a needle. I'm sure I have one or two around here somewhere. I hope you were able to watch the entire film. I hope there is some value for you here. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for subscribing. Stay safe. Have fun. Thanks again. Adios, amigos.